Hi guys, welcome to the channel. And I'm here at a Ram dealership here. I think it's Jeep, Ram, and Chrysler. And I'm looking at some cars that are for sale. See what I find. I find this GTI here. Not sure on the year right now, but I'll look it up. I would say it's about 2016, 17, maybe 18. I'm not sure. I used to be very good with Volkswagen, and especially with the Golf and the GTIs, but I kind of lost it a little bit over time. I have a personal relationship to them though, because when I grew up we had a lot of GTIs and Golfs, and I kind of grew up with them, and they still have a spot in my heart, and I always love to see them. So let's look at this one here. This one will be for sale. It looks like it's not detailed yet. I can tell they put new tires on it, and someone made a big mess here all around it. Here, look at that, it's curved pretty bad too. Definitely needs some attention there. Yeah, everything looks a little weird, but those are definitely new Falcon tires, because they're all around about the same, as you can tell here. Let's see the interior. Oh, look, they checked the alignment, made an alignment on it, which is good. It's a manual, which is all right. I see a hole in the driver's seat. I do like that that tissue there that they have. You know, I think you get it in leather or fake leather, and I think this looks a lot better. Have a look. The seats look a lot better in this, and I can't remember what it's called, but it's kind of the same pattern they had back in the first GTIs in the 80s too. So they thought they would bring that back. Also, the gear shifter there, if you look at it, looks a little bit like a golf ball, and that's what the old ones looked too. They were just more round, like a real golf ball almost, if you remember back in the 80s. So pretty cool, pretty cool. I still like the GTI. Halogen lights on this one, just kind of a shame for a car like this, but oh well. And it looks like it got towed. So this probably is not your best choice if you want a good GTI. It might not be bad either. If it comes online, I want to look at the price. Not that I'm going to buy something like that, but I'm just curious, so I'm gonna have a look at it. Alright guys, I hope you like this GTI, and I wish you a wonderful day, and see you soon.